Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video we are going to do some foil stamping, which is why I'm starting out by mattifying my polish here. I believe this helps from keeping the foil to sticking. It keeps it from sticking to the rest of the nail where you do not want it. And I'm sorry about this color, it is a one-step gel from Pure Joy, but I believe it's no longer made. My goal was to go for a green color, but not so much of a too dark of a green. I will now leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. For this design, I used Beauty Big Bands XL038, which is one of my brand new plates, and Mora's gel stamping polish for foil stamping, FP01. And this is the same process for each finger, guys, but you do want to do your foil each and every time, okay? So for every finger, rather than doing all the stamps, because you do not want this gel polish, stamping polish, to dry on you before applying the foil. And this foil is not a Moira foil, guys. This foil was given to me as a gift when I ordered some polishes that came from Russia, and this is a very good quality foil that came with the order. I used it. It's the only one that I have that works for my foil stamping. All the other foils that I have are, I guess they're just cheap. They won't work. This is the only one that I have that actually works. And that's why you can count the times that I've done this. Maybe this is my third time, maybe only my second one. I'm scared of running out of that foil, and I just haven't had the opportunity to purchase any Moira foil in other colors to do some more designs like this. So yeah, this is the final look after I cured my top coat. I really love how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. If you guys have any questions about this, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.